What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make a video the other day, but it has constantly been raining here in southern Indiana, so this is actually the first nice day we had. Yesterday wasn't too bad, and then we got rain at night. But we do have my buddy Mitch's coming. Unfortunately, me and my girlfriend were going to town yesterday. We were heading, my truck has been running fine, and we were going to town, and on one of the back roads, it basically felt like someone just kind of tapped the brakes like that, and then I lost power, everything. Lost cluster power. I don't have, like, when you open the door, the dome light doesn't come on. I have nothing. So I was like, well, maybe it's one of the batteries. I started taking the batteries off. I disconnected the positive on both batteries and started to disconnect the negative. Well, when I was doing that, the negative, when I was taking it off, it was sparking on the positive main battery's terminal. So I was like, that ain't good. So I gotta get it towed. Here's basically what his truck is. We did a video on it before. Sorry for the wind noise. We put the wheels and tires on it for him, but he's kind enough to let me borrow it to get the trailer hooked up and get my truck towed. Dad's gonna come. My girlfriend's with us. I gotta grab another chain so we can strap it down. Well, he's got one back there. I might just use that one. But we're gonna try and get it back to the shop, and we're gonna go from there. So sorry for the wind noise again. Really didn't want to make this video because I am over my truck. I'm over it breaking down, but shit happens. I've started looking at new Duramaxes and stuff. Once I get mine fixed, I'll probably end up selling it and going that way. But anyway, guys, stay tuned, and I'll pick you guys up when we're loading the truck.
Ryan Little.
Well, there we go, guys. We got it all loaded. Wasn't too terribly bad. I want to thank Mitch again for letting me borrow his truck. We're gonna take back roads and get over to Don's Auto. I'm not sure what happened. Like I said, it basically just lost all power. No dome lights, no nothing. Batteries were sparking. So I don't know if I got a short somewhere or what's happening, but we're gonna try and get it resolved and go from there. So thanks for stopping in, guys. I'll pick you guys up when we're unloading it, and then when we get back home.
Ryan Little.
Japan. We're back, guys. We are at my sister's house. Thanks again to my buddy Mitch for letting me borrow this. I couldn't have done it without him. I really don't want to pay another tow bill to get the truck into town. But if you guys didn't see the video that we put the wheels and tires on this, he's rocking a Moto metals. I believe they're a 20x9, so I mean it gives a little bit stance, as you can tell down the side of the truck. It's a 2500. Single rear wheel, got the gooseneck in the bed and all that fun stuff. He's got airbags on it, which came in handy. He did a 5-inch exhaust and he deleted some stuff, I believe EGR delete, and then he's got his like mini max tuner and stuff up there in the front. But it's a nice truck. If I would to get a Dodge, it'd probably be one just like this, but I would probably change out like the headlights and taillights and stuff. But this truck is just super clean. It's not lifted stupid high. It's not stupid stance on it, where a lot of the guys that get these trucks throw like 20x12s on it and they're way out here. I like the look of this. I like the 20x9s. It's a real clean look. The only thing I would probably do is probably just stick a light bar in this front piece up here just to close that gap up, because I'm not a big fan of that gap. But like I said, it's a real clean truck. Thanks again, Mitch. I hope they can figure out what's wrong with my truck. I'm starting to look at diesels again. I look at them and then I kind of shy away from them, and then I look at them. But my dad's looking at changing out his 1500 to a 3/4 ton diesel gas truck, whatever. But I'm not 100% sure what I want to do. If that's a simple fix on my truck and it's just a ground wire, then we'll probably just keep running with the 98 until something major happens. I would like to pick up another diesel at some point, if it's another 6.5 like the dually, or if it's a newer Duramax or something. But the 6.5 is way over there. Let me zoom in here for you real quick. You can probably see the back end of it right there past the grain bin. Yep, you can see it right there. We pulled it out yesterday. I'm going to do a pressure check on the radiator and see if we're leaking anything, if we have cracked heads, blown head gasket, etc. But I have my buddy Cole bringing his truck out. Basically same thing as my 98, just a single cab. He did a frame, I don't know, frame off restoration type deal. He took his half-ton frame, put the body on a 1-ton frame, traction bars, and then he's bringing it to me. We're going to do rockers, cab corners, and paint it. So should be pretty fun. But once we get it done, I'm going to pull the 92 in and do the pressure check on the radiator and stuff like that. Hopefully it's the radiator. Cross my fingers. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the 98's fixed soon. But if you're new, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, share the channel, share the support. We all love the trucks. I love making videos on them. Even if it isn't a GM product, I still love making videos on them. But remember, guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Thanks for stopping in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.